You don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? All right guys, so we're here with an actual real life example of a situation where the tenants lived here for about 2 years. They've let the property deteriorate and now the owner's looking to flip it. So today I have with me Andy Cotton.
How you doing?
Andy, you are with Rhode Island Property and Wire, right?
Correct, yep.
I wanted to do today, Andy, was just kind of bring you through this property and just ask you as we walk through what things you would see, what would you do different? Would you even flip it? Would you bulldoze it?
Yeah.
Or what would you do with this
Sure.
house?
Yeah, I mean, that's the most important thing is, would you or wouldn't you do the job? I mean, sometimes the best decision you can make is to walk away. In Rhode Island, we're very budget restricted here, so we have to find a way to expeditiously get through the project. I mean, you can fix a lot of things when it comes to, pretty design. I would probably take down the ceiling just to understand what I've got up there. I would do the floors. I mean, these aren't gonna work. These are the click and lock. Problem is any water gets on them, they turn to cardboard. It's kind of a mess. So,
But what would you do in this kitchen cost effectively to make this thing work?